they said that?
Yes, I know.
Oh.
How could you do that?
They are all in hot soup. I will so deal with them.
There'll be no need for that.
You will not touch them. They are all fired. The person is to fire them. You know we have plans. Ojunwa?
Yes, my queen.
You are in charge of cooking this week.
Yes.
You have a job to do.
Okay, my queen.
You may leave.
Come here. Don't forget, whatever we say must not be heard outside.
Yes, my queen.
Use away.
In a situation like this, we need to be very, very careful. We have to take it cool. If not, people will start saying what they have in mind. You know what that means?
Nah, no, Mife people. They can say whatever they want. People are brondala.
Take it easy. Okay?
My dear, that is it though. That is it. But that serves my brother right. Yes, that serves him right. You see my brother? He deserves it. So that next time he will respect himself. I'll tell you the truth.
Now wow. What kind of trouble is this one now? Eh? Oh yeah, now you push Kukuma send her away now.
Eh? Yes. It's not possible. We cannot send her away. It's not possible. Do you want to get us into more trouble? Eh? Ha. Me, I'm thinking to leave this village. Oh. I have to leave this village.
And you think that's a good idea?
Do I have any choice?
No, that is not even a good idea. In fact, it is not. You can't even think of that. I think the only option you have now is to keep begging her. Because obviously she's a thorn in your flesh.
I say she is a big one. A big one at that. I'm telling you.
This is problem.
Talk of the devil. Actually, I am hungry. It's time for me to take my drugs, so I need food.
Dochi, how far now?
Very far. I'm talking to you. If na please, stop him. See, I'm not the one that blind your eye. If you are hungry, go and meet my brother. Don't come to me. What's the middle of this now? What's wrong with you?
I should go and meet your brother.
Yes, go and meet him.
But when I don't want him to go out, you will be the one begging. Please, oh, let him go. Let him go. Yeah? But now you said I should just go and meet your brother and not you. Nice one. Dochi, please, can I talk to you? What do you want to talk to me about? See, I am not the one you are supposed to talk to. Just talk to them. Tell them to treat me right. Else, I will just run to the palace and I will report. I don't even need to tell them what Queen will do to them. See, Dochi, listen, we're all girls, eh? And I need you to calm down. Let's talk this out, eh? You're mounting so much pressure on them. Can you just take it easy? Take it easy. Take it easy, Chama. Chama, look at my eyes. I cannot see with this eye. Are you expecting me to... Oh. Are you expecting me to take it easy? It's not possible. You see this girl? This girl will not kill me in this house. Instead of this girl to kill me, I will kill her and bury her. Nothing will happen. You. Ajulu, I don't even understand what your problem is. I am trying to see how I can help you guys settle this issue on ground. And you're acting this way. What is it, Seth?
Settle which issue? Which matter you want to settle now? Which issue do you know that you want to settle? She's very stubborn, no? She won't listen to you. She's very, very stubborn.
Wait, just calm down first.
Wait, stop!
Are you mad? Stop! No, stop! Stop it!
Are you okay?
No,
wait! Stop!
No, stop! No, stop! Actually, stop! Stop! No, Adil, stop! You want to fight me? Are you mad? Why would you slap her? Are you mad?
Follow me. Walk fast before you follow me. You don't want? Yes. You can go inside.
You all are fired.
Go inside, pack your things and leave this palace immediately.
Like what?
Oh, sorry.
Will you shut up? Who else need to talk? What are they packing? The things we bought for them? No. They are leaving empty-handed.
Move!
Get out! What is going on here? Why are you firing them? What's the offense?
Who are you to ask? What's your business here?
No, I have every business here.
Who invited you into this matter?
No, I have every right to interfere with whatever matter that happens in this palace.
Hey.
What did you do? Nothing. You heard them. They did nothing.
Clinton, what is your business? Who invited you?
I invited myself. They're not leaving.
Be careful around here. If you want to live long around this vicinity, you must learn how to mind your business.
Know your boundary.
Yeah, they said people are fine. What are you waiting for? What's my prince?
Out! Where did this young girl run into?
Will you come back here? Come back
here! Now! Move! Move! I said, go to your father's house. Go to your father's house. What are you doing? Clinton, I am warning you for the last time. Mind your business. Do not cross your boundary. Do not cross your boundary.
Are you okay?
Brother, so this is the only thing I have to say, eh? So you expect me to sit down and watch that girl beat me?
Have you not been seeing her insulting me? Did I touch her? You want to make things worse for me? The next thing now, Lola will talk this one, Queen will talk this one. Eh? I don't like this thing, though.
But
I don't like this thing, though.
That girl is very stubborn.
If you leave her like that until she finish her punishment and go. Eh? I don't like this, though.
If she doesn't take them, I'll blind her herself.
Hey. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Don't say I did not want you. Sorry. I don't want problem again. Let her stay here.
Sorry,
I don't like this.
You have the mind to slap me. Obanya? Eh?
It's okay,
you
it's
have
okay.
the mind to slap me. The queen must say this.
Wait now, wait.
Wait,
Where are you going to?
Wait to
Where are you going to? Give me queen or woman.
Your sister slapped me.
Come back now.
Come back and do what?
Come back. Where are you going to? The queen. The
I'm
queen
going to that
is the queen of your mother. Is the queen of your mother. I'm not going to be a queen. You want to be a queen? That's what I'm here now talking to her. You want to run to go and see queen. You want to be the queen.
You are seeing her now.
Respect. She will respect. Don't worry. She will respect. Go where now.
This girl slapped me.
Nothing is happening. What? We are trying to settle it. The guard, can't you people rest at home?
Something is happening.
Nothing is happening. From small thing, people will come.
The queen sent me to find out what is going on here.
Nothing is going on. Tell the queen. Calm down now. Tell the queen nothing is going on. We are trying to settle it. She had an issue. One time misunderstand with my sister. I'm trying to settle it. Can't you see? Just come my broken magnet way back. Tell the queen that nothing is happening. Go inside. You know, I think I want to why.
Onochie, the queen will not be happy with you. You should handle this thing well.
Nothing is happening here.
Nothing is happening now.
Nothing is happening.
It's a lie.
Nothing. She has small misunderstanding she had with my sister. No. And that is what I'm here trying to settle. Can't you see? So go back and tell greet the queen for me. Tell the queen that nothing is happening here. You don't go book black guy.
It's a lie. Something happened. Your
I never like a black guy.
Who slapped you?
My sister slapped me.
Did they slap you?
Yes, slap me. No, I will be honest. He did not slap me.
You see?
He's innocent.
You see, go back. Then they will go to woman. Someone to you carry cutlass up and down. Eh? This place is not a police station. No.
Handle this thing well.
I'm handling it.
I'll be leaving now.
I know.
You know that she heard somebody disobeying her orders.
Me too, I know that one. Go and tell the queen. Eh?
You tell the queen to tell this so that they will be treating me right. You don't treat me right in this house.
I'll be leaving now.
You are not going to stay in my house. And I'm never going to be a blue watch. Go now. Go now. If more people carrying the cutlass up and down. I don't know whether this my house is a police station. We don't put black in it. Look at the guy. They see what he like. Every time the guy are not worried about. Police station.
Today, as your Christmas day.
So why
today is your Christmas day.
New Year, Canada.
Today, see, you should just treat me right in this house. So
no problem, right, no problem. Do Christmas for me today.
I'll tell the queen no.
Next day, do New Year for me. At least you have come for holidays. Here, what is all these things? Every time everybody will come, this one will come. What for the maid? Let them bring the maid here so that they can come and sweep our compound. Some more time, I don't know if people are not tired of this your black cap and your cutlass with a banana. See me, you're a guard. Because you're a guard, the king is sent to you, the queen is sent to you. This is how queen has been sent you to all the people's house that are having problem. Because on your car, you better respect yourself. Oh. If you're on holidays, you will soon get fat.
Because one day, I will show him the stuff.
Did you hear him threaten me? Shut up. Shut out your mouth, Clinton. Huh? Stop shouting at elders like that. Allow us to talk. Calm down.
Don't shout at the prince. Didn't you see Akashi shouting?
My prince and my king to be.
Yes, my subject.
Please calm down. Calm down. Let us discuss why we are here. Let us tell your brother where he belongs in this kingdom. Let him know his place in this kingdom.
Better. He needs to know his place because he's becoming annoying.
So this is where my father normally comes?
Yes, my princess. This is where we came and saw him that day. If not that the queen told us not to follow him, this wouldn't have happened.
The queen asked you not to follow him?
Yes, my princess. Those boys that attacked him, they came through this way.
I can see that. The fence.
Yes.
I just need to get some evidence.
Okay, you can...
Okay, that's fine. Let's go.
That is our agreement for now. You cannot ascend the throne when you don't know our tradition.
It's a lie. Oh no, I said it's a lie. Who does that?
Oh, you are now shouting at Awono?
Yes.
Iwonyara?
It will not happen. He cannot deny Prince Clinton what rightfully belongs to him.
You know I don't like you. Be careful. Be careful, else I will beat you blue-black here.
What?
Yes, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, shut up. In fact, you make more sense when you're not talking.
Look at who you want to make our king. Look at what he's telling a cabinet member, that he will beat him.
Icheze, if you do not have anything reasonable to say, keep your mouth shut. Or better still, get out of this palace. My son will definitely become the king. Else, I will set this kingdom on fire.
Yes.
It's a promise.
As for you, Clinton, do not worry yourself about the throne. You don't know about our tradition, so you cannot be our king.
You lied. Again, man. Oh no, you lied. Clinton will be the king of this community.
So because of tradition, I'll be denied my father's throne by becoming the king? Is it that I cannot learn this tradition?
No, you cannot learn it. I cannot learn it.
You cannot. If you know you want to learn, now, you and Nakachi, give us 2 adages in Igbo.
Come on, don't insult me. What do you mean by 2 adages in Igbo? I can do 400 adages here. In fact, 1. Nwata bunye nna ya enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayo chie ya anya okirikiri ka na agbu ose na hari ise ugwu ose enu. I can go on and on and on and on.
My son, rest, please. Rest.
Ma onye Igbo gbasiri ike now. How can you come back from America? You abandoned your father's name and started answering Clinton. Imagine, how can you be calling somebody Igwe Clinton or it doesn't make sense. Clinton or Nazi Igwe.
Did you hear him? That he wants to learn. And I'm working banana.
Enogi akita, nwa afi Igbo. Akwa enogi akita. Ima rapu afi Igbo ge zaba Clinton. Igwe ona za Clinton abanye.
Ogbakwala nti o.
These are many more you need to know. If not, you cannot ascend the throne. It's simple as that. In fact, in that case, okay, let me ask you this simple question.
if you want to be the king, the person that will crown you that day, who is it called?
That is Onowu.
You fell. Akachi, answer the question.
That's an insult on my person now. Okay, let me answer it for formality's
sake.
Teach him. The person that will crown me is called Akatampo, the kingmaker. Akatampo is the name. It's why I cannot become king. He knows nothing about it. He who the cows feed should wear it.
Of course.
You can come back from California, baby, and now Igwe Clinton and Igwe
Clinton.
Igwe Clinton, have Oyibo.
Then what people? Igwe Clinton of Obelago, Mbano, Adabaro.
No, that will not happen. Yes, I will take this matter to the Council of Kings in the state. The government must hear this.
Don't worry.
Get up and leave this.
Come on. Get up this place. Hey, come here, I'm talking rubbish.
Give my two cents. I'm
You won't go like that.
not doing anything here.
Get out of this place.
I choose it.
Or should we get out?
Oh yeah, follow your leader.
Follow.
Whatever I buy.
Follow. If you are not comfortable, join them.
You all should remember that I'm highly connected. Yes, I'm a friend to the governor's son, a friend to the Inspector General of Police, to the Chief of Staff also. I will report this and I will not allow all this to slide. That's what I'm doing.
Hey.
What's today? Fufu. I can't eat this fufu. No, I
What do you
can't
mean,
eat this
fufu?
fufu. I can't eat it. I can't
That is
eat
what
it.
we have, oh.
No.
That is what we have.
No, I can't. I will not eat it. I want to eat rice.
You want to eat? I don't have rice. What can you mean? Don't you eat fufu in your father's house?
I don't. I only eat rice.
What is all this? I don't like this thing you are doing.
And please, be
I don't
fast
like
about
this.
it. Just be fast because I want to take my medicine.
Angelo, come. Please go to my room. Collect money there. Please go and buy rice for me.
Brother, Biko, anything that has to do with this matter, I'm not interested. Biko, I'm not interested. Anything that has to do with her, food, anything today. Topic, close. See, me, I have somewhere I'm going to. You see this girl? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not buying you anything. I'll not buy you anything.
Okay, then. Is that how you are doing?
Yes.
One day you will do this to a man, and they will bring the man here for you to take care of. You will see. Okay, you are hungry, but now don't hurry me, oh. Don't hurry me. I don't like this thing, oh. When you are in your father's house, you eat everything you see.
I want to take my medicine. Just go and find me rice.
You want to take your medicine?
What I'm saying is that if this boy should go to the higher authority, like rightly said, we are on to
Then, what do we do?
We use our plan B. It is only who is alive that can be the king, true or false.
Ichie, you are right. In that case, I have my plans in place.
My point is, whichever way, let's be fast about whatever we want to do. I don't like the fact that that idiot is gallivanting around here and challenging me.
My son.
Don't
you trust your mother? Leave that to me.
I believe you.
Ichie.
My friends.
I am not afraid. I am prepared for this task, so you have nothing to worry about because I am a son of a lion. Go home, relax. I will take good care of this one.
Okay, my prince. Another thing you should be thinking of is getting a wife for yourself. And if you don't have anybody in mind, I have 2 daughters.
Is this how greedy you are? What about my own daughter that works here in the palace?
Oh, your daughter works here?
Yes, my prince. My daughter works here. She is the chief palace maid, or should I call her for you to see?
Nze, Achuze, so this is it. You now disobey my orders. As you know, Okuya?
Oh no. We won't support evil. If you want to plan your own throne, go ahead and do that. We will plan ours and see at the end who wins.
Ichie, I don't have time for this. As for the wife you mentioned, we'll talk about that later. But for now, I will give the both of you 200,000 each. So you can go ahead and prepare for my coronation because, of course, the days are drawing near. I am fully prepared.
That's my praise.
We will do that.
I told you. See, I am happy now. I'm happy they've seen that they cannot win this war.
But you are greedy. Why did you rush to tell the prince that you have daughters? What about me?
Greedy? Actually, okay. Let's not quarrel over this. We should not quarrel over this. If he marries my daughter, then you become the Ono. But if he marries your daughter, I become the Ono. That settles it.
Just marry my daughter.
It's okay. That settles it. You will not have issues on this. Jay, let's go. Jay.
What? 200,000 naira each.
I am just confused like this. I don't know what to do. But there is nothing wrong in this boy becoming the king. This is the agreement we have with Lolo and Ume. And if I back out now, they will feel bad.
No, I don't know what you are saying. What do you mean? If you have been in this boy's side, you would have been among the people that will collect this 200,000. I told you I need money. I like Rami find a mail. You better change to his side now before it's too late.
How do I do it now?
Simple. Call him and have meeting with him. That's all.
You are right. But Lolo and Ume want to kill him.
And you are in support of this?
No, I am not.
Hey! This man, oh. Hey! You want to put yourself in trouble. Oh no. Hey! Instead of you to support this man, so that you will retain your position as Uno, Ejo. Don't worry. Don't worry, not a plan on. I am going to expose you people.
What did you just say?
Don't just try it. Try it. Look at someone that want to change the face of this community. You want to kill him. Akachi, has he given you sheshe? Even the late king. Where they go find you? Don't worry. Let you people be planning. I'm planning how to expose you. I bet you.
How do I do now? What do I do?
Papa, I don't know what you're waiting for to divert him. I don't know. Look at how he's sharing money up and down. Kifo, Woody, I don't know what you are waiting for. Eh? Someone that has money has come. And you're busy supporting the queen and his useless son, who doesn't have money. Even the late king doesn't have money. Talk one of the useless son. Eh? What are you waiting for?
Sister, easy. We're not getting and why you.
Let me tell you, as for me, with what Clinton did today, and with what you just said, I'm over out, oh. I am over out and I'm in for Prince Clinton. I and Akachi, it is over between us. And as in me.
My daughter, exactly what is in my mind. But they will feel that I betrayed them.
Ha! You see they will feel? They should feel betrayed now. Papa, they should feel betrayed. Papa, since you knew Akachi, has Akachi ever given me 50,000 naira? Mba. But Clinton gave me 200,000 naira so fast. And he said he's going to share 200,000 to the elders. Papa, Jesse. Someone that has money has come. Papa, divert now.
Papa, we have to listen to sister. You need to do something. Let's move now. Let's divert. Sister is correct.
Am I
not a good person?
Both of you are right. But they will still feel that I betrayed them.
Papa, let them feel. Let them feel, oh. You better go there and stay with them there, because as for me, I am out, oh. I am out.
Papa, all sister needs to do now is to find our way straight into Prince Clinton's heart. Bam!
Your head is there.
You don't run around about. You take right.
Your head is there.
It's not easy. The way you think, it's not easy.
Papa, you have to make it easy for us. It's not easy. It's queen we are talking about here. I want to be a queen. You have to make it easy.
What is going on? Ajulu, what is happening? You mean you are leaving this house?
Yes.
Why?
Brother, I'm leaving this house. I'm leaving this house for you and your punishment.
Why? Because I want you not to fight her. Is that why you are leaving this house?
Brother, it's not.
Ajulu.
Don't worry. When everywhere is calm, I will come back. Yes. I'll come back.
How do you expect me now to be taking care of her and be going to work? I'm attending to my business.
I don't know. Neither do I care. I don't care. But see, if you leave me in this house, I will kill this girl. Yes. This girl, she will push me to the extent of I will kill her. And you know if I kill her, you get into more trouble. So it's better I go. Yes, it's better I go. Don't worry. You and your problem. Both of you can stay. Whenever everywhere is calm, peacefully, I'll come back. There is no problem.
Ajulu, so attack ready?
Yeah.
Attack ready? Ajulu, this is how you are.
That is how I am.
This is how you are.
Just let her go abeg.
Ajulu, this is how you are.
Don't come back again, no.
Okay, no problem.
Why are you just disturbing
No
yourself?
problem. Ajulu,
please, don't come back again.
What can I give me?
She's jealous.
Why are you doing this thing? This thing you are doing now, why are you doing it? Can you tell me in one sentence why you are doing this thing you are doing?
Not doing anything. I was on my own.
I'm only respecting the queen, no? I'm only respecting the queen. It's not that I don't know how to do what I will do to you. It's not that I don't know how to do to you.
I did not do anything to you. If you check this thing very well, I did not do anything. No. I was on my own. No. You blinded my eyes. Oh.
You I was on my own. When you are taking my money, you did not know. See.
When you're the one that was giving me.
Bet me. You see your nipple will never grow.
Okay.
You will see.
The one that is standing already. I bet let me check and know what you share.
Akachi, it is over between us. It is over. I cannot take this anymore.
It's obvious you're a gold digger. Gold digger. Your true colors are Putamago. Thanks for manifesting early. It is over because you're not sure whether I'll become king or not.
Akachi, it is over between us. Now tell me how you are going to fight a person who knows the governor, knows the DPO of police station. No, tell me now how you're going to fight someone with such connections. Power you don't have. You don't even know ordinary DPO in our village. You don't know. No, do you know? Please, I don't want to lose entirely. That is why I am saying this. Biko.
So tomorrow, if someone bigger comes, you jump. Why don't write highest bidder on your forehead? Let's know that's who you are. And you are here now. I've invested in this girl. She has been professing love to me. We are planning marriage. She's here and saying it is over. And you're not saying anything. Okay,
No, what do you want him to say?
Akachi, I am not the one I am getting married to. She's the one. So whatever she said, I don't know.
Gold digger.
Yes, I am a gold digger. I am a gold digger. I am no longer interested.
But you see, three of you, mark my words and mark today's date. I will shock you people.
Shock who, Wiggy?
I will shock you people.
Go and tell your mother that I'm done with you. I am done with you. Sister, did you see the way your mother is talking? The way he's dashing money out? The way he has composure, he has teeth.
Okay.
You don't know see it's a cha-cha. You don't have teeth in you. Sister, come on, package. You don't even know how to package yourself. I
won't go to cool down.
Can you imagine?
Calm down.
Is that a threat or what?
See, let him go. Let him
He's
go.
a loser.
Let him
Sister,
go.
leave him.
Let him go.
We have moved.
After all, there is a party that said change. At least when we change.
We have diverted.
Let him go. He will not lose. My daughter will not lose.
Can you imagine? Sister. Is that a threat or what?
I want to
tell your mother I'm done with your ass.
Well, no. I do not want to have a problem with any of you. The fact that I do not have a basic knowledge about our tradition does not mean you all will rob me of my father's inheritance. I mean, my father's throne. No. I'm going to put everything on hold until I get to see those behind my father's death. Yes. By the time I surround everywhere, this community with armies, then you will understand that I am a trained American.
My son, calm down. Wait, Obi. You have to calm down. You haven't heard from me. Thank God I met you on my way. You have to listen to me. Your father and I were very close friends. That he made me the Onowu. Please, I have thought about this several times. That why would I be fighting you? I cannot join Ume to fight you. Mbana. Listen to me. I am going to teach you tradition. I will guide you and protect you. Whatever you want to know or whatever you want to do, just tell me. I will do it for you. I am now a changed person now. Yes.
No, are you the one saying this?
Yes. I am the Onowu, the custodian of the tradition. I cannot do evil to the heir to the throne. Mbana. Lolo and his son bribed me so many times. Even keep their promises of making me retain my position as Onowu. I say no. I have come to understand that you are your father's son. I am with you.
Well, I'm very happy you realized yourself very, very early. You came early. But I want to assure you that your title as Onowu of this kingdom will remain. You are going to have it. And of course, I will change your life.
Thank you, my son. I don't know how to thank you. In fact, anyone that wants to fight you, let them fight me first. Yes, I am ready.
Well, may I remind you that no one have the ball to fight me. I have the wherewithal to do whatever I wish to do. Now, don't worry. You have to go now. I'll be on my way. I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Prince Clinton. My prince, you don't have to think too much. Brenda doesn't love you.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
My prince, I am very sure. I am very, very sure. Brenda is with you because she knows you are going to become the king. But now that you are about to lose the throne, she has left you. She's now going for your brother.
What?
My prince, I'm telling you the truth. They are both secretly dating. You know the other day Brenda came to the palace and the prince gave her money. Ever since then, they have been in contact. As I speak to you now, they are together. Brenda has been teaching him the whole tradition. And she's not just doing it alone. Yan and Piana are hand to hand.
So even Ichie is behind this?
My friends, I would just advise that you leave Brenda and go and look for another woman. Because as for Brenda, hey,
Are you 100% sure of what you're saying?
my prince, I am dead serious. I swear, I'm serious.
I'm not surprised. Women. Oh, well. But this will never go unchallenged. I will confront them.
Hey, no, my prince.
What is it?
You don't have to confront her. You don't have to.
Thanks for the information.
What is even wrong with this prince? I'm not seeing happy Brenda or not. Am I not a woman? Is he not seeing me? Hey.
I don't care what you say, Mom. I don't care. I will take this matter to the last point. Mom, tell me why you told the guards not to go with the king on that day. Why? You must tell us what happened to the king.
How dare you? Are you gone out of your senses?
Mom, at this point, I am out of control.
So if you try this next time, I will slap you back. Ruth! That is my name! I'm telling you now, and I will say it again. I must take this matter to the last point. Mom, what kind of woman are you? Your husband just died. My father just died. And all you care about is the throne. What throne? Are you that heartless? Shut up, Ruth! Shut your mouth!
I think it's time I show you the stuff I'm made of. Ruth, I am not just your mother. I am dangerous. If you dare open your mouth again to say that you will slap me,
you will do nothing! You will do nothing! What is all this? What is all this? I honestly don't know what is wrong with my mother. Can you imagine I just found out she asked the guards not to escort the king on that day? On top of that, she doesn't care about the burial plans. She doesn't care to know who and what killed him. All she just cares about is the throne. How? It doesn't sit right with me.
What are you saying?
Yes, you heard me.
Your mother did that?
Yes.
Is that what you people do here? What is this? Why did she sack them?
My friends, we don't know. We don't even know why they were sacked. She just asked them all to leave.
This is strange.
My friends, it's only the woman that remains. It's because she's from the same village with her.
Oh, I see. Alright, I want you to go and meet them. Ask them to come out to the palace. I'll start paying for their salaries, okay?
Right away, my prince. Okay, my prince.
My prince, your food is served.
Okay, you may go.
Alright, my prince.
I think it is time I let these people know that I'm not a fool.
Don't cover the truth. Wicked mind, evil people are the problems we have in this beautiful world. Because they forget that only God has the final say in our lives. The evil men do live with them. Live with them. The evil men do live with them. Live with them.
You're eating already?
Yes. Do you want to join me?
But the maid told me my food is here.
Oh my goodness, I think this should be the one. I'm so sorry. Here to join. Here, it's big.
Oh, really? No, you can eat.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Enjoy enjoy yourself.
It's big. Don't you want to join me?
Come on, enjoy yourself. You're eating already.
Okay. So where have you been?
I went to see one man. But that'll be a story for another day.
Are you sure?
Hope you're enjoying yourself. Yes, I'm sure. What is this? Are you okay?
I've been having this weird tummy. Chest.
Oh, take water. No? So like I was saying this.
Also,
Are you okay? Take water. Toothbrush?
My chest is calling.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Maiden! Maiden! What is it?
My children.
Go. She's coughing. She was eating. Call the guards! Guards! Hey! Guards!
Tochi, you need to think about this. Honestly. It was just a fight. Eh? How long will you keep living here?
Choma, as long as I get better. Please, I don't even want your problem right now.
I did not come here to fight you. Listen, I only came here to talk to you as a sister. Yes, we all agree that Onoche did not do well by hitting you. Even his sister was not in support of him. But it was just an accident. Yes, now, you know he even wanted you as his woman. Just let's go. Eh?
See, let me tell you. I was not the one that brought myself here. Lolo did. Okay? So, I don't have anything to do. Let them just take care of me and I get better. Everybody go. I go my house. Then Onoche take care of himself. That's all.
Sorry now. It's okay. I understand your pain. But please forgive him now. Why are you losing? Eh? You know that these people no longer have father or even mother. But you have a father. Why not take him as your brother? Okay, I saw his sister leaving this village. And she was even crying. I felt so bad. Tochibiko Zen, do I have to kneel down for you? What is your gain in all of this?
For him to suffer until I get well. That's all.
Tochigabuju nyocha. Ebulege no. Ebutu ogala no. What is even your problem? Eh? Are you not a human being? No one knows tomorrow.
Chama, you want me to pity him, yeah? It's not that I don't want to pity him. Okay, wait, I pitied him today. I was meant to eat salad today. He did not give me the salad though. And I did not bother him. Is that not pity?
You're really funny, oh. Honestly, Tochi, you're very funny. You're very funny.
Leave me alone. I don't want to fight you. I don't want to fight you. No, fight me. That is what I want. Oma, you are going to fight me today. No one needs to tell me that you're a very bad friend. You're a very wicked girl. How am I bad? How am I bad? I'm going to show you today. You're a very stupid girl. Brenda, tell me. How am I bad? How am I bad? Kefemme, what did Akati do to you? Akati me again? What? Oh. So it's a problem. It's now your problem, eh? That is why you went to tell him. Are you stupid? I will show you what I am made of today. Oh, now what did happen? We can't age them. You're very stupid. Let's hold up. I will show you what I'm made of. Let's hold up.
Brenda, what is it? Brenda, what is it?
You want me to wound you, Abi?
Leave her. What is it?
Oh my goodness.
Brenda, what is it? Get it for?
Oh no. As this idiot, this efu. Ask her.
What happened?
She is the main enemy.
You go to this girl, Kefa Akachi Melia. What did Akachi do to her? Nothing. She left Akachi. And now she's running after Prince Clinton.
What?
Is it your business?
That is not possible.
Is it your business if I change my mind? Yeah, now, all business again.
Brenda.
Nah, Jogi. You want Yala?
Brenda. Telegori can joke. Does your father knows about it?
Oh, no, her father knows about it. Mpiama, Yen and Piana are hand to hand. They are working together. They planned it together.
No, this cannot be true. That cannot be possible. This is not true.
Let
me go and see him. Don't worry, let me go and see him.
Oh, no. She will not leave you.
You
will not be a
Continue.
I will kill you here if you will not want to. Come and leave you. We will kill ourselves. No, come and leave you. You will leave. We will kill ourselves. I'm not leaving. You won't pray about that. I'm not going. Oh, give a Kalana. I've not seen anything. Oh, give a Kalana. I'm going to not give an Izuzi. I will show you now. I'm very confident. I'm going to be a poor. Come from when now. Then I come to one now. Come for no. Buono. Onyala. I'm buono. Try me and see. Oh, give a betrayer. Betrayer. Kezaya dinawan. Kezaya dinawan. Kezaya dinawan. You're looking for place. Come and go now. Buono. We are here. We die here today. Leave. Let me see. We die here. Leave.
Oh, my good friend. Drink. Drink more. They will bring another one. You have a problem at hand. You need to drink.
You see that girl? That girl will definitely leave my house. That girl will leave my house. You will see. You see. No, enough is enough. I don't want to think Babini. Enough is enough. She must leave my house.
Yes. Let her go. How can your sister leave you like that? Just like that? That means she wants you to suffer and die.
That girl has so frustrated me. Tochi is frustrating me. Wayne has frustrated my life. Hi. You see all of them, I will plan for them. You see today, I'm going to rape that girl. Yes. I'm going to rape her. She will see.
You see that one where you talk today? You see that one where you talk now? I support you. Yes, I support you. You need to do it now that you are high. Yes, now. Now that alcohol is all over you, you need to do it. So that if people are talking, they will say it's alcohol high. Yes. I use it and do it.
I'll finish
it now. And anytime now, if we are going to do it now, I'll hold her left for
you.
Hey.
Mama, animals, don't come near. I want to hold her left for me. Don't hold her left for me. I can handle it, even if with alcohol in my body. Whatever I think, I can handle it. What is there? What is there to tear pants and do this? After all, she doesn't even wear pants. Here's the access.
See person we won't go. See person we won't go do woman. Only you.
Only me can handle it.
You cannot handle this, you know.
Only me can handle it.
Allow me to come and hold her for you so that
don't hold for me. Only me can do it. I am man alone. I can handle it.
Oh, yeah, give me 10%. 10%.
10%. Once I go home now, I'll lock my gate. By the time I'm doing it, after doing it, I'll bring the pant and give you.
Hey!
You smell.
Bao. You cannot do this thing alone.
Ume!
Ishe.
Where's your father? Welcome for yourself.
Ishe, is there a problem?
Where is that your foolish father? That betrayer?
Oh no. You are here.
No, I am there. So this is who you are. Ume, this is who you are. If not that you are Ichie, I would have slapped the daylight out of you. So this is who you are. This is what you did.
What did I do? No.
Hey.
What did I do?
You know I'm so disappointed at you. Shameless man. So you want your daughter to marry Clinton? Okuya? So fast you switch party. Okiseme? Ume? Okiseme?
Oh no. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? That's no problem. I wanted to tell you today, but thank God you found out by yourself. Like you have just said now, I and my daughter, they have moved to where something is working out. Yes, at least if you have PDP, it's not working. You enter APC, it's not working. You enter ADC. So we cannot be where something is not working out now. Can't you see? No
problem, I see. Let's see how it goes then.
put her in the palace now. It's a big problem.
Now, what happened?
The princess is dead. Hey! Princess Ruth is dead. Oh no!
Listen to me. I am not here for jokes. Start talking. What did you put inside the food?
My prince, I did not put anything.
Where did you keep the food? I mean the remains.
I threw it away.
Clayton, what are you even saying? I don't understand. This girl has been working in this palace for a very long time. She has never hurt anybody. What is your problem? Eh? What are you trying to say?
I don't understand what you're talking about. Whether she works here or not, she's the first suspect. Yes, this is the same way my father died. And now my own sister died of the same thing. That food was clearly meant for me to eat. But then she ate it. And you're telling me to let it slide? No, I will not let this one slide at all. Just wait. My men are on the way coming. The police are here. I've also called the elders. They're on their way coming here.
You will tell me what you did to my daughter. I will make sure I fight you. I will not let this slide.
I will not let this slide too. Alright? Let's stay here until the police arrive. Right? And you go nowhere. Make sure you lock everywhere.
Okay, my friends. Everywhere is locked. Let me cross check again.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean what is wrong?
You're drunk. Omochi, what is wrong with you now? Drinking will not solve this problem. If you're drinking now, they will say that I'm the one that made you to start drinking.
Is it your business? Is it your business?
My business.
Are you not the one making me to drink this?
People will say that I'm not a bad person.
Are you not a bad person?
How am I a bad person?
You carry your problem and put on my head. How are you not a bad person?
You're not the one that blinded my eyes.
My queen. Please get out of my way. I want to go. I want to go inside and rest. Get out of my way now.
Stop drinking.
I should stop.
Please, no.
Officer!
Please, I will confess. Please, don't let it take me away.
Shut up your mouth. I hope your boys are outside.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Take this girl. She must rot in jail until she confessed to what she put in the food Ruth ate.
My prince, I will confess, please.
Confess what? Goma, shut up!
My prince, it was the queen that gave me the poison that I should put in your food. I did not know the princess would eat it.
What?
Abomination. Lola, did you do that?
It's a lie. I didn't. I did not do it. Ugoma is insane. Shut up!
You still deny it? You killed your own daughter.
Yes, that was the reason why she sent the other maiden to go so that I would do it. Yes, even the day the king died, it was the one that asked the guys not to follow it.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, I'm sure. My brother, I'm only saying this.
Enough! Officer.
Sir.
Take this girl.
Hey.
And
Take
this
fool away! You're talking rubbish.
I am talking. Take her away too!
Clinton, are you saying that the officer should take me away?
Officer, please do your job. As for those that killed my father, I must fish them out this week. Do your job, please.
Madam, you are under arrest for murder and conspiracy. Our advice to remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. One more thing, you have right to anatomy. And if you don't have, the state is willing to offer you one.
Move! Follow them. We will come there. I will come there. Follow
I say move!
Officer, this is Clinton. Are you bringing an officer into family matters? Clinton!
I say move!
Officer, take it easy.
Move!
Lola, from there. We will come there.
Chill, me.
Lola will come. Follow them.
Move!
I will obey the law.
Stop wasting my time! I say move!
Clinton!
My prince, please, I'm begging you.
Ask him to take me
Madam,
away.
I will use force on you.
No, why are you here?
I say move!
I am here.
Don't worry, we'll join you there. Just
It's your man.
We'll come to the station.
We will come there, oh.
We'll come to the station. That's good, my dear.
You are very wicked. You are very wicked. God will punish you. You did this to me, Olachi. I hate you. I hate you. You are very wicked. You so... What have I done to you?
What happened to you?
Olachi raped me.
Hey!
He raped me. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did to Olachi from one evil to another. Sorry. I don't know what I did from one evil to another.
Oh no! Yeah! Oh no! So you decided to do this to my daughter? What have I done to you to warrant you to behave like this towards me? Oh no, you must kill me today. Both of us must go and see God. Oh no, oh no, you are strangling me. You see, as I am now, I'm not even afraid of death. You can go and report me anywhere. Tell God, tell Pope, tell Lolo, tell King, tell future Prince, tell everybody terrible, but tell it nobody. What I've done it. I'm no longer afraid of anything. Onachi, I will leave you for now. I will leave you for now. Go and talk to her. By the time I come back, whatever you see, take it in good faith. Stand up. Let us just leave here.
No, Papa, no, I'm not going anywhere. Papa, I will stay here. I'm sorry, I'm not leaving.
Do you want him to kill you here?
Yes, he should kill me. He should kill me, Papa. Tell me, what am I living for? Just tell me. Papa, I'm blind. He raped me. Who is going to like me? Nobody. Papa, nobody. I'm nothing. I'm nobody.
My daughter, I will not allow this to happen to you.
No. Papa, I'm sorry, I can't.
Let's go.
No.
My brother, please. Forgive them and bail them. I'm also sorry for the way we've been living. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am sorry for them to have the guts to kill my own father. They must pay for it.
My prince, it is good you have dogged out this matter. But it is very bad for Onowu and the queen to have planned this.
Yes. And I suggest you let them be in there for a while. After all, they brought it upon themselves.
Exactly. Like I said earlier, for them to have the guts to kill my own father, at this point we have to allow the courts to decide their fate. If they are guilty, let them go in for it. Yes, that's how it should be. I promised them that I'm going to find out. And that is what is happening right now. So please, let's just allow this. I'll catch you, my brother. I can forgive you. But not your mother and those useless chiefs. I will not do that. Please. Hello? Wow! Haha, this is good news.
In this beautiful just they forget.
Sister, what are we going to do now? Please now, beg Prince Clinton now. Papa cannot be in the cell. I don't even know how he got himself involved in all this at first.
Joy, I am going to the palace to cook for him now. I don't even want to talk about Papa. I don't want the prince to change his mind over me. Now that the prince is liking me, let's pray to know if God will answer my prayer. Then I'll be able to talk to the prince.
Okay. Whichever one. Just try whatever you know you can do. Oh, please.
Baby, come on, be going, Biko. Let me go and cook for him,
Brenda, have you heard from the prince?
About what?
About your father and my husband now. I want to know because I'm tired of begging prince.
Ijema, fight your battle yourself. Biko, let me fight my own. As you can see, I am going to see my baby. I am going to see him. I don't care about those in the cell. Yes, I don't care. Go and beg the prince yourself. I am going to see my baby.
Hey! Oh, I want to know. But he wouldn't listen. Look at the trouble he put himself into. Obulo na agwabanti. Ondoro. Ebulisi. Osulie.
Auntie Gemma, my sister is very selfish. Hey! All she cares about now is how to become the queen and get married to the prince. All we can do is to pray for them. Even my father, our father is in the cell. She doesn't even care about that.
Hey! Agwamono. One wrong. Wrong. Ngwan. Osetia. Okay.
Onochie. That thing you ever wanted, you will get it now. You must marry my daughter. Ichie. I'm not denying it. I'm not denying it. If she has been living with me here, so let her now live as my wife. No problem. What does you want me to do?
Papa.
Yes, my daughter.
I'm not going to marry him. I'm not going to stay in this house with him. Papa Wanga will kill me. Seriously, I will not stay here. Especially now that the queen is not here to take care of this situation.
My daughter, I agree with you that the queen is not here to take care of the situation. But the prince is there. And if he fails to marry you and take proper care of you, I will go back there. So, okay. Ichie, I've heard you now. It's not that I hate you. I've not been the one asking her to be my girlfriend. Yeah, so as you want me to do so, I will do it. There's nothing like
leave me, leave me.
There's nothing like I will take care of her. Let's let us do it the way you want. Oh no, Chia. Let's live in peace. I don't know why we always fight. I'm tired. This thing is okay now. She will go the last dressing now and everything will be okay. So let's stop this. I'm tired. Because I'm tired. I'm not going to or every day case. Okay. Good. Then tell me right now. When are you coming to pay her bride price? I don't want everybody to know about this now. Ichi as soon as possible. Are you sure? Toto. Holistic Toto. Holistic Toto. Holistic Toto.
We are meant to see the people that are causing troubles in this city. It's our community. Oh, my boy! How are you? My baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
Missed you so much.
Me
Come
too.
here.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Come. Sit.
My prince.
Sit.
Who are they?
She's my beautiful wife. Her name is Annabelle. And my son, Junior. Junior, come say hello.
You have a family?
Yes, I do. I long to show them to you. And today, they are here.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. How was the flight?
It was good.
Good, right?
Yes.
Sit.
Okay.
Hey. So, meet them. I'm sorry I didn't tell you about them. They are leaving the States. So I had to make some arrangements so they can come back.
Hi, my prince.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Meet my wife, my beautiful wife. Her name is Annabelle. And my son, Junior. Junior, say hello.
Hello. Hi there. You mean your wife?
Yes, my wife, my family. Is there any problem? Are you okay?
I want to get something.
Okay. So,
You're welcome.
Hell! I cannot take this.
Sister, what happened? Why are you back so soon?
I cannot take this.
You are crying.
This is too much on me. I can't take it.
What happened?
He didn't tell me that he's married with a child.
What? Prince Clinton is married? You mean Prince Clinton is married with a child?
Had I known, no.
Wait, sister, you mean Prince Clinton has a family already?
Yes, oh, Clinton deceived me, oh, he has wife and kids. He's a married man, oh.
Hey, that means Papa will die in the cell. Sister, I want you. So Papa will not die in the cell, but I want you. I want you. Now
Listen, a wicked man.
My prince, I'm very happy for you. This Jones, you have the blood of your father, our king, running in you. We never think you could thought it so wise to have a happy family as this.
Thank you so much, Ichie. Our people says when your wealth gets home, it will explain its destination. Yabona, akuruo uno, akawebusi, kawakoye patalia. Obolia.
Yes, look at it. You now talk with parables.
Yes, I learned a lot. Ichie Ume and his daughter taught me so well. They've been teaching me in secret.
It's okay. You are welcome once again, our future queen.
Thank you,
No, he's not to know yet.
Why are you telling her?
Are you to know?
Well, let's not dwell on that yet. Let's talk about something. Let's talk about how to move forward. I want us to have everlasting peace in this community. We need to settle things. We need to be in peace with each other. It really pains me so much that we lost our father, the king, and also my sister, because of some people's greed and selfish interest. Please, I beg again, let's come together, make peace with ourselves.
Thank you very much, my brother. Your message is clear and valid. And I promise to make it up for the death of our loved ones. Once again, thank you. Our wife, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Junior. Kedo. Bye-bye. Oh my God.
Please, let's drink. Please drink.
I'm so happy your brother has forgiven you and he wants to help you too.
Yes, he's a nice guy. I'm happy that we finally made peace.
Happy.
You know, united we stand, divided we fall.
Exactly.
Yeah, thanks for the role you played.
Thank you. You're welcome. You know, I'm happy your brother is married. Can't you see Brenda has been put to shame? So happy.
That desperate queen. I'm happy for my brother too, but at the same time, I think I've found my own wife too.
For real?
Yeah. And she's not far from me.
Yeah.
I'm talking about you. Hope you're not surprised. Yes, you're calm, you're patient, you're homely, you have sense, you're not desperate. And you've been telling me the truth.
Sister, please now. Sister, don't leave the village like this now. Sister, please. Sister, I cannot live like...
So finally, someone has decided to leave this village for good.
Shamefully, she's living with shame.
What will come to you soon? You both will not be able to stand it. I'm telling you, bet me. But I don't care what you guys are talking about here. I don't care because I don't have time for losers like you.
Coming from a failed idiot, a desperate witch, a baseless queen. My friend, live with your shame.
To hell with the both of you, foolish prince. Prince without packaging. Foolish prince.
Business as shall.
Oh, you're very wicked. Just leave them.
Like sister.
They are losers. Just leave them. Just leave them.
Are you a idiot? Baby, don't allow them to spoil our mood, okay?
Okay.
As I was saying, I found what I want in a true woman in you. You're calm, you're organic, you're natural, you're beautiful. And to crown it all, you have patience. So, from this moment, you are my woman. I hope you're not surprised.
I am.
Don't worry. Come, let's go, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, all I want in a woman.
That's what I'm telling you. The man has agreed to give me the contract.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you.
You'll be rich very old.
Yes, sir.
You'll be money. Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Yes, sir.
I'm so happy.
Yes, I told you that.
I'm so happy. What am I saying?
Come. Where are you coming from? So you still know your way to this house?
Brother.
Ajolo.
Is that the welcome you will tell me?
Who is welcoming you? You're a bad sister.
You are
a bad sister.
The only family.
You were a bad sister. You. So you left me around, thinking that I would die.
I left.
Look at me now. Eh? Helen Hattie. Bouncing. You see?
Baby, it's okay.
You are not a good person.
Baby, she's your sister, remember? Let's just welcome her very
well. No, this one is a wasted sister.
Aju, just come and sit down.
Don't tell her to sit down.
Don't you? Baby, please, just let her be.
No, she's not a good sister.
Baby, she tried.
Eh?
She tried.
She did not try anything.
No, she tried to support.
She was thinking I will die. Now look at me now.
Tochi.
Ekwe shame on you. So you're saying Tochi. Don't go hard with them to respect.
Why are you looking at me? Baby. Okay, do you expect us to still be fighting?
Yes. How can there's no marriage age?
It's not possible. We are tired of fighting.
That's how
we are living in peace
bad
right
people
now.
Think all the time.
Okay, just come and sit down. Don't worry, I'll gist you. Just come.
I tried though.
Come and sit. There's no food here. There's no food in this house.
She's your sister. I'm sorry, I'm getting married to your brother very
Brother!
Hasbro enemy is dangerous. It's very dangerous. Angona ebonye. Isi achanya. Ile de no de kawa bani. Anama ego de verisi. All the people. Hasbro enemy is dangerous. It's very dangerous. Angona ebonye. Isi achanya. Sonyi ke buki nacha. Okwibo abo. Isolo abo. Isolo madocha. Sonyi ke buko nacha. Okwibo abo. Isolo abo. Isolo madocha. Sonyi ke buki nacha. Okwibo abo. Isolo abo. Isolo madocha. Sonyi ke buko nacha. Okwibo abo. Isolo abo. Isolo madocha. You fight anyhow, you talk anyhow, you do anyhow. Oh, be careful, this world is not your own.